It's colorful, it's iconic, and it holds the secrets of the universe, the periodic table. But what makes each element unique? Let's dive into the fascinating world of chemistry and discover the magic behind the periodic table. Back in 1869, Dmitri Mendeleev had a crazy idea: organize all known elements by their atomic weights and properties. He even predicted elements that hadn't been discovered yet. And guess what? He was right. The genius of Mendeleev's table was its ability to predict the unknown. Elements like gallium and germanium were discovered later, perfectly fitting the gaps he left. Talk about being ahead of your time. But what makes an element an element? It all comes down to protons. Every element has a unique number of protons, called the atomic number. Hydrogen has 1 proton, helium has 2, lithium has 3, and so on. The periodic table is like the universe's version of a cheat sheet. And here's where it gets really fun. Elements love to mingle. Sodium and chlorine, for example, team up to make salt. Alone, sodium explodes in water and chlorine is toxic, but together, they make your fries taste amazing. Then there are the MVPs of the periodic table: carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen. These guys are the building blocks of life. Without them, no plants, no animals, no pizza. Elements also bring the party. Neon lights up the night, helium makes balloons float, and gold makes things shiny and expensive. Each element has its own personality, its own quirks, its own story. And the story isn't over. Scientists are still discovering new elements. The periodic table we know today could look completely different in the future. It's a reminder that science is always evolving. So the next time you see the periodic table, remember, it's more than just symbols and numbers. It's the story of our universe, written in atoms. Hit subscribe for more science explained simply. Super subscribe to science, simplified, for more mind-blowing discoveries.